under there is just a villa.
Villa's underneath there. So is there anywhere we can pull over? Everything here is owned?
It's owned by them.
Let's pull over. I want to film. Pull over on here. Oh, you can't. Virgin, the way them set it up, yeah, pull up right here. Pull up. Right here. The way them set it up is so that you can't even stop.
Yeah.
Virgin. All right, Jamaicans. I'm in the car, guys. So, how come as a Jamaican? Oh, I'm not telling you, Virgin. Sometimes I feel so upset with myself. So,
if you roll, you pass the blues from, you have a blue, blues to go down, the last thing
okay, guys, look.
These are called the 12 apostles.
They're called what?
12 apostles.
Oh, these are 12 mountains? So this is South Africa, Cape Town. And what's this region called? Clifton?
This particular region is Clifton. Just over there is Cansby.
Cansby.
Yeah. But there's a long route along the mountain until the Cape Point.
Cape Point. So this is the East Coast?
This is the East Coast. This is the West Coast.
This is the West Coast.
This is the West Coast. This
and
is
you can drive along here to how far?
All around until my ghetto.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So we're going to take that to look at the view.
Yeah, you can go all around.
So this, where will this take us?
This goes to the waterfront.
Some fish, and we could eat some fish today?
Yeah.
So we're going to do that, Trevor.
Yeah.
So we're going to take the East Coast for some fish, and then we're going to take the West Coast.
See, this is another trip. This is, when it past that urge, it looks like Greek islands.
So let me ask you, is it like an hour to go there?
I would say 45 minutes.
Oh, that's great.
I'm telling you, maybe, actually, we can go to Hog Bay. It's a fishing port. There we can get affordable
But
fish.
I'm hungry now, Trevor.
I think.
But isn't this way closer over here?
If you're gonna go there,
it's just closer, right?
Back.
It's too long, you're saying?
It's too long.
But I want to see everything. The people want to see everything too. We're gonna do it. Let's do it. This is the Trevor Rondie show. Let me take a picture. Let me suck the air in. Woo! Subscribe and hit the bell. It's a woo, baby. I tell you, look at the water. Look at the I need to find out the name of these. Well, you know whale walk. Look at that on Google. So this is like West Palm Beach. You know, and then we have a hotel here that's going to be launched soon. So it is pretty impressive. Yeah. Yes, Bridgens. The Jamaicans are coming. Oh, yes. Okay. Trevor, did you bring your shorts? Did you bring your shorts to go to the beach? So we're going to find a hotel around here. We're going to book it, dude.
You see, this is too nice because if we start from the waterfront all the way, you see, until we finish the West Coast. When we finish the West Coast is where the two ocean meets, and then it's the East Coast where the water is warmer. And it's more, this is more like,
So can the public go to that beach?
Yeah.
So public people could go there too?
Yeah.
So we could go to the beach after we get our fish and eat. Can we eat the fish on the beach?
Yeah.
Let's go eat the fish on the beach.
You can eat, drink, and
light a fire.
There's certain
I'm
ones
just kidding.
you can actually, because it's residential, so you've got barbecue spots.
So, Trevor, why are you waiting?
Because I
I'm
don't
just
wanna. This place is too nice.
You know,
man.
this film, you know that people would literally sit and watch us when I come to South Africa to do the Teba Rondie film. But you guys, that's why you got to keep shooting for me, Teba, because people want to see your adventure.
I'm gonna shoot that. You see, like sometimes I'll be standing at the beach. I'm like, put it on Facebook. Guess where is this place? Like, oh, California. Nah, Africa. I don't know if you say Cape. This is Africa. And they be like, are you lying? Because it's amazing. I'm sure you.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Look at this beauty right here. You know, when I suck in air this good, I say, oh, creation is amazing. Can you suck that? I have to bottle this. Oh, there's my Jeep, Tebo. Look at these nice, and we could rent one of these for a night, right?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, man.
So this is what some construction here. We need to get some names of these places. And just play some music and have some drinks and have a vibe, you know what I say? How long does the beach close? How long does it close? What time does it close, the beach?
It doesn't really close because it's
even
residential.
At night, even at night
it's residential. Yeah,
people on the beach at night?
Yeah, I'll show you where I used to stay.
Okay. So wait. Okay, so this is Venturi Bay. Okay. So we can stay at okay, I get it. I'm getting it, bro. It's probably like $1,000 US a night. Is it very expensive? Conway?
It might be. Can go Venturi, they can go on a bus. See, just go Google.
38 Venturi.
That's the job.
Oh, this feels just like West Palm Beach. And this is Africa. It's not Cape Town, it's Africa. People have to know that. This is Rondie and Tebe. Blessings, yo, big up yourself.
I used to be so healthy when I was
Yes.
free. Stayed for 4 years.
So this is Venturi Heights. Okay, now I know the money people them there.
Yeah, man. When you get some new Africans stay in this area. One of the few Rastas. You see, okay, this is the end of Venturi Bay. That was the beginning of Seapoint.
Beginning of Seapoint.
Yes. You see that sign over
Lionhead Mansion. So sorry, those are rentable?
there? Yes. You see that green sign there? You see this
These green signs.
yes, that house on top. I used to stay there.
You used to stay at the house right here?
The 15 Queens.
15 Queens,
That
yeah.
used to be my crib.
That used to be your house?
For 4 years.
How much? 4 years?
Yeah.
How much did you used to pay for rent?
It was about 4 G's.
What do you call this little city here?
This is Greenpoint.
Greenpoint.
Yeah, this is Green. I mean, Seapoint. This is
Seapoint.
Yeah. This is Venturi Bay. This is Seapoint.
Oh, nice.
There's definitely rooms available in this hotel.
In this one here?
Yeah.
Peninsula.
Yeah. Peninsula.
Sorry.
So I used to have evening dinners by the beach here.
So Greenpoint, where we went to, I know that. That's
Yeah.
the city.
Yeah, this is.
Oh, slow down, Trevor. Don't drive so fast. Wicked, Bridget. Give thanks. Oh, yes. I am here. This is it. So just rent out that place right now.
Tapo! Tapo!
You don't recognize each other.
Yo! This is my brother, Nigerian brother.
I say Nigerian, but
How are you, man?
that you?
Let's come inside.
that's why you guys want to travel with Trevor. He knows everybody.
Long time, man. Yo.
Whoa,
Good to see you, man.
How you been?
All right, man.
What have you been in this country?
I've been in and out. You know how it is, man.
Fantastic,
Yeah.
man.
You still, I see you still on.
I stay there. I still do what I do.
Yeah.
You know, day by day.
Yeah.
You know.
With my brother.
Respect, man. You're not barbecuing, bro. Bro, you're not barbecuing. You stay here. You're not barbecuing, bro.
I know how to, but in my apartment building, they don't let us.
Oh man, crazy. Where's the party? Where is everybody?
Matter of fact, it's the first working day.
Yeah.
So I suppose maybe it's gonna be mellow, kind of.
But let me take
You
your
know.
number, man.
So
He's
you-
my homeboy.
So you live here? You live here?
Yeah.
Yes, I do.
You live here.
Yeah.
So you live in this life here.
Yeah.
This is my city. I
Yeah.
love this city.
So you're the guy
What's your name?
all the
What's your number?
Jamaicans need to reach out to come show.
Give me a shout.
Give time.
He did it, my homegirl from Brooklyn. Make sure I say it. Yeah.
Respect. We link up with you.
I'm working number. It'll be nice to interview you.
What's the name, bro?
Rondie. Respect. Straight out of New York.
Dave.
It's your man,
My
says he
native name is Dapo.
Dapo.
But, you know, business, English name, Dave is going big and bigger.
Give
My
thanks.
company is Dave Become Pty Limited, SAPTY Limited.
And what is
You know.
it? What is it? What is it?
Yeah, we do various things. We do wine export to Africa, you know, and the other arm, we do commodities, petroleum products, you know,
Respect.
Just-
Good.
just a little value chain in the link.
Respect. Wow. You're making the moves.
You got my
I've got
number,
your number. I'm
so
gonna
let's ride.
communicate with
Run
you.
it.
Respect,
Good
sir.
to meet you.
Give thanks.
Cheers.
There's so much beauty, man. If you want us to do the coast, you see, me, I know the beauty, so I won't stick too long because we're gonna lose time. We've got, see now we pimping Cape Town.
See this right here? This is the peninsula, so we could stay there.
Always.
Yes. Give you a pop for a second. So wow. See, and we need to know. We know Jamaican. We know somebody who lives here.
Yes,
Professional business.
I stayed here now for years, man.
So guys, look at this. This is the people who are waiting for work, and then people just come and pick them out.
Yeah.
Really?
Or you see, there's a construction happening here.
Yeah.
Or they just finished working at the hotel
Yeah.
or about one of these posh houses on the coastline. You know how it is. But when I used to stay here, I was a dada, you know. I used to,
In English, what does a dandada mean? You can't talk like you're speaking to regular dancehall people, Trevor. Jamaicans are not just dancehall. You have to really recognize that, all right?
you know, I was a black, confident and talented black youth. So made things possible because before it was illegal for black people to stroll around here. You were arrested by the police. So I said to myself, I'm gonna stay here because my parents were illegal. At some point they were arrested to move around these areas. So and I enjoyed it, and I met a lot of people, and you know. But again, as a Pan-Africanist, you know, your people have to go to them.
So basically, these people are waiting for work, and these people are vacationing and living the big life. So they don't even have a center for them to wait.
Yeah.
The government didn't even provide a center for them to wait. They just have them waiting outside like this.
It's probably their transport's gonna pick them up there, so they say stay there. It's convenient. See, because that's how it is, you know. You see, most people they get vexed by the situation.
You know, Teba, coming to Cape Town as a people who've been through the struggle and coming back to the struggle. Maybe there are people who've come here before and see the struggle and just went back and say, you know what, I can't start fighting again. You know? But
Yeah.
the progressive
You see,
people from America to come back here and set up businesses for
people to have jobs and some kind of humanity.
Yes,
See, what we have learned is through business, we can establish humanity, treatment. If I have a restaurant, I'm not here for big profits. I'm here for expansion, you know?
yes, sir.
Because there's a humanity here that needs to be maintained. And it's not being maintained. So they're just waiting for the bus. They're not waiting for work. Good.
True.
Well, Rondie, can you take a picture for us, please? Eh?
Yeah.
You cool?
Yeah.
But just hit that.
You might want to this one. Sorry.
Is the light okay? It's better place.
So these apartments you're saying are owned by foreigners.
Yes.
The one room, you could purchase one room. This is it's interesting. Trevor, keep in mind you have no license.
Nah.
Okay. I know he was wrong, but Trevor, this is our film.
For sure.
And then you're gonna get in trouble on film with no driver's license, being a Rastaman, Pan-Africanist, and a rebel. You're a triple threat, bro. I'm talking about Pan-Africanist, no license, Rastaman, ganja smoker, ganja smuggler,
I'm an illegal alien.
and you're a social worker. That's a lot of problems, bro. And you're driving like you're a bad man. In Babylon headquarters. In South Africa, that's still not totally okay. You see the right?
All right. So there's some fish. You see, if you go there, we're never gonna go back that side
Why?
because there's too much things to see. So we get a fish somewhere and then go there because this is more.
So Teba, we could go there tomorrow.
Wait.
That side.
So we rather go.
Because we could do the fish. We do this side today,
Alright.
so we capture it,
All right.
and then we could
Maybe we can go. Maybe we can.
because
go.
I know that there's another pretty house space I want to go in the museum too.
All right.
And the museum might need early planning or whatever, but we want to drive through the city and see what it's like. It's kind of like a scenic tour today.
Yeah, yeah.
Um,
Maybe going.
so we're doing the east side first.
Yeah.
In the building.
This is the west side.
This is the west side.
So we're going to the waterfront now.
Yes, sir. And we're going to eat the fish at the waterfront.
Yes, and I think that the waterfront can be. I'll show you a place where we can have a nice reggae Caribbean night.
Wow, man! I tell you, it's like I want to go back home and win the lotto.
Yeah, man.
It takes money down here. So this is Winchester Man's, or Manor. What's that? Yeah.
Yes.
Mansions.
Apartments,
Okay, Winchester
hotel.
Mansions. These are hotels and people enjoying themselves. Very clean. Amazing vacation spot. We're talking about. Now it's nice weather now, but I hear in June and July it's pretty cold.
You get the ocean bouncing against the wall, and some people they like. This is the SABC,
What's the SABC?
South African Broadcast Corporation.
I
It's
see.
a radio station.
Uh-huh.
Good Hope FM is based here, but and all the other broadcasting.
Oh yes, people. Rondie's on it again. Look at this. Boy, I tell you, I suck in that good air. We don't get that in Brooklyn. The rock pool, that's another place. It's like excited, really nice, Teba. So you lived here 4 years close to this. You lived a life, Teba.
Yeah.
Yep.
Before I lived here, I used to stay in Woodstock. I think Woodstock was more like that, you know, urban subculture environment. Not far from here.
Mm-hmm.
It's about 6, 7, 8 minutes drive.
Mm-hmm.
And I kept on making my life much more nicer as I moved towards the coast because I love the ocean. Because I've been staying in Joburg for a long time, so I miss the ocean. So I rushed up and
Hotel called the Atlantic.
I would stop any girl, I'm like, yo, I said, where you stay? I stay in Seapoint. Okay. Can I get your number?
So Teba is saying that because he used to stay around here when he meet the ladies, he would
Invite
say,
them
hey,
over
I'm
for a
sick.
drink.
So all I need to do is tell a South African lady,
I'm staying at Seaport. Maybe we can have dinner.
Yeah.
That's it?
Yeah. For them, it's a blessing to be in such environment.
Really?
Yeah.
So I'll try that later.
Yeah, man. It's like, so I used to
So how do you say hello in Setswana?
Dumela.
Duma.
Dumela.
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 Dumela. I'm staying at Seaport. I'm wondering if we could have dinner tonight. Can I have your number? That's it. Okay, I see. That's how it works.
Yeah, it's just the pleasure
Dumela.
of a fresh environment.
So now let's talk about the budget, Trevor, because
Yeah.
we have to budget. So let's
Yeah.
see. If we're staying at Seaport, and you rent a room, it's probably 150 US a night. Probably.
Probably.
That's not bad.
Probably.
So we're gonna check that out.
Also, it goes with the seasons, you know.
I see.
Yeah.
Look at Seaport. This is Seaport, right?
This is Greenpoint.
Now this is Greenpoint, near to that market.
Yeah. After this Greenpoint, you're gonna be at the waterfront. So I used to jog from there where I used to stay all the way to the waterfront.
Trevor used to run.
Yeah, man. That was. Oh man.
How old are you now?
I'm 44.
Wow.
I used to run every day. Running on this coast was like a blessing.
So
Inhale.
you're the only Rastaman here running, living in an expensive apartment.
Well, you know, I
So
mean,
you live the Bob Marley life. You Trevor, you run this whole Cape Town.
See?
While the Jamaicans in there suffering reggae music, you running things down here. Look at this nice, pretty building. Teba is running palm trees. I see how you live in Teba. You had all of this to yourself. You didn't call no Jamaican road boy and say, yo, I want to come through. No. I had to come here to show the people what the lifestyle you talk about. There's no suffering in Cape Town. Do you see this? Big artists like this making money traveling the world. This is how Teba lives. Wow. See that? I always tell my friends when I said to them, it's not where you live, it's where you go. Dolphin Inn. So even though you live in the garrison, you can just come out here and eat a fish and live the life.
yeah, man, straight. Man.
Cape Town. This is Cape Town. This is why we want you to come. I'm the tourist board director at Cape Town. Come home to Cape Town, Jamaicans. It's a good vibe. But the beach is not, it's beachy beach at a certain point, not like a 7 mile, stop, slow down. Not a 7 mile stretch, right?
Yeah, you see, when we just on the east coast, it changes everything. See, before we finish this coast, we're gonna see a stretched beach where there's like volleyball playing and all this.
Wow, so a long stretch with nice white sand and is the water calm?
Yeah. So it's really a nice coastline.
Wow. Beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, it goes all the way around.
All the way around.
Oh, bridge, that's like 2 hours, 3 hours.
See, when you're on the other side, you've got the ultimate view.
So
of
then
the
it
Trevor
can't be
Mountain.
expensive to rent place here because there's so much of it.
Yeah, that's why.
The Radisson,
Yeah.
the Radisson Blue,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
You stay there.
That's great.
I could get a couple of friends, a lady, not a couple, but you know what I mean.
Yeah.
And stay. This is what.
This is the stadium.
That's the stadium.
Greenpoint Stadium.
Greenpoint Stadium,
Yeah.
Greenpoint Market, right?
Green Market Square.
Green Market Square, and we have here the area again,
This is the waterfront.
waterfront.
Okay, so I wanted to go there. You see there? That's where we can have the reggae club.
Okay. Grand African Cafe.
Yeah, this is the market.
So Jamaica, this is where you come and open up a club down here.
So,
Rent out a space, right?
yeah.
Okay. I'm thoroughly enjoying this. Thank you so much for your time, Teba.
Yeah.
I know you have big performances to go to.
Man, this is anything for the weekends.
Yes, sir.
Plenty of them.
Victoria Wharf parking, table hotel parking number 3. Report to Victoria Wharf. Rooftop parking. Wow, look at this vibe right here. Yes, I. Yes, I. Rondie Pottinger. Woo, you know the Jamaicans them say, yes, Rondie, thank you for bringing us on the journey. Hey, on the subscribe, share on Facebook, you know. I don't can donate, so I can continue traveling, you know, so the donate link below. But after eat food, I'm gonna drive all day. But I take you all the way to Cape Town on the film. Just so you know, this is the Rondie and Trevor show. Hey, you have a good voice, you know, you got a good reggae voice. You know, you have a really good reggae voice. I listened to your lyrics last night. Powerful enough. I think Jamaica really need to start take you serious, you know, and book you and bring you in.
Right, man?
Yeah, man, you have a respect the advice. You have a good, yeah, I'm listen to we're shit nuclear. I say, yo, you just said, but man, Trevor say I'm shit nuclear. I say, yes, now you tell easy. What your phone, Trevor? Come on, you drop some more lyrics right up on the waterfront. I was up on the work, you know.
I'm sorry.
Trevor said, we shit nuclear on a bad man. You put your hands in the air. We shit nuclear. I said, easy, Trevor, easy.
So we take the boats to Robben Island on the other side of the harbor.
Did we leave anything in the car of value?
Is it bed at the back?
Bro. Yes, bro. I'll get some bananas. This is the Trevor and Rondie reality show.